Now, a tug-of-war between the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission over the credibility of Wycliffe Oparanya as the cabinet nominee for Trade and Industry is likely to dominate the vetting of the Trade CS nominee on Saturday, due to the DPP's retraction of a recommendation to prosecute the former Kakamega governor over a 56 million shilling kickback he allegedly received from a road contractor while he was the governor of the county of Kakamega. Bridget Singana with more on this story, which has caused a lot of uproar in the public spaces as well as among the legislators, even as concerns are rife over, is it a matter of getting Oparanya into cabinet, whatever the cost? Here's the story.
It's a war of words from two government bodies meant to prefect and punish the conduct of public officials on the use of public money. But now, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions have locked horns over the turnaround by the DPP on its initial recommendation to prosecute the former Kakamega governor, now Trade and Industrialization Cabinet Secretary nominee Wycliffe Oparanya, in the embezzlement of 56,740,325 shillings received as kickbacks from different road contractors between 2014 and 2023. On December 18, 2023, Deputy DPP Grace Murugi wrote to the EACC saying there was sufficient evidence to sustain the charges against Oparanya to commit an offence of corruption, conflict of interest, abuse of office and money laundering. However, in another letter from the DPP to EACC dated 8th July and that reached the Commission on 25th July, said they now lacked sufficient evidence to get a conviction from the case against Oparanya and his co-accused, following a letter from Oparanya's lawyers to the DPP. The letter from Oparanya's lawyers saying that EACC has been on a baseless witch hunt against their client. EACC maintains that the evidence gathered against Oparanya warrants his prosecution and is in dispute with the current decision of the DPP to close the case against the cabinet nominee. Oparanya is expected to appear before the vetting committee on Saturday, where opinion is divided on who has the powers to halt the vetting of a cabinet nominee.
EACC has no authority whatsoever in law to clear anyone. They can only investigate you for corruption. So the self-declaration form is for custody by EACC for future investigation should they be necessary.
Through his lawyers, Oparanya maintains that the monies in question were a loan advanced to him through the contractors, and he is currently in court over the non-payment of the loans. Bridget Singana, NTV.